Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's sure to elevate your gaming experience, the CRKD Stick Tops Midnight 8-Pack for the Nitro Deck and Nitro Deck Plus. We found this unique accessory online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are the CRKD Stick Tops? Essentially, they are stylish and customizable thumbstick tops designed specifically for the CRKD Nitro Deck and Nitro Deck Plus gaming controllers. This pack comes with 8 different tops, allowing you to easily switch up your gaming gear and express your personal style while you play. One of the standout features of the CRKD Stick Tops is their ease of installation. You won't need any tools or complicated instructions. Simply twist and pull off your existing thumbsticks, pop on the new stick tops, and you're all set to conquer your favorite games in style. This quick and simple process means you can customize your controller in just moments. Now, let's talk about style. The Midnight Pack offers a range of sleek designs that not only look great but also enhance your gameplay experience. Whether you want to match your gaming setup or showcase your unique personality, these stick tops provide the perfect opportunity to personalize your Nitro Deck. You'll be able to make a statement without sacrificing functionality. But what about practical use cases? These stick tops are particularly suitable for gamers who spend long hours in front of their screens. Over time, thumbstick wear and tear can make your gaming experience less enjoyable. With the CRKD Stick Tops, you can maintain a fresh look for your Nitro Deck while also enjoying a better grip. This means you can focus on your gameplay without distractions, whether you're exploring vast open worlds, battling it out in competitive matches, or enjoying a cozy gaming session with friends. Additionally, they cater to a wide range of gamers. From casual players who enjoy a bit of flair to hardcore gamers looking to maintain peak performance, these stick tops are a versatile solution for anyone who uses the Nitro Deck or Nitro Deck Plus. Whether you're into racing games, first-person shooters, or adventure titles, the added comfort and style can enhance your overall gaming experience. In summary, the CRKD Stick Tops for the Nitro Deck and Nitro Deck Plus are a fantastic way to personalize your gaming setup while ensuring that your thumbsticks remain fresh and functional. With easy installation, stylish designs, and practicality, this 8-pack offers something for every gamer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.